That's where grandma party.
Do you want to be on the vlog? It's nice. We in Jamaica, y'all. Y'all already knew that, but we in Jamaica, but we still not at my grandma's house yet. It's hot. And I got a red sweater on. Everybody knows I don't take off my sweater. It's nice.
I've been drinking too many shots of cognac. Early time, sound on fire. Bless my water, pour me water, holy water. Make them see me, I know they suffer. Early time, sound on fire. Bless my water. Give them long life to see me prosper.
Call Turks too.
Hi guys, so I didn't record an intro, but hopefully you guys hear my intro. Right now I am just in this net because since my American blood, these mosquitoes are biting my behind up, and I'm at my grandmother's house in Jamaica. That's the whole reason why I came, because it's her 80th birthday. So I just want to show you guys this net they have, because them mosquitoes is already biting me up. I already have 3 bites. My grandma's real old-fashioned, so don't come for this room, but at least I got my own room. And I'll see y'all in the next clip. I just wanted y'all to see that I'm in this little net that actually is working. It is keeping the mosquitoes out. I haven't gotten another bite since. So yeah.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, and those whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder.
Yes.
You all can't see it, but I tell you, the smile and burst hold my money face. Says it all. Amen. Hallelujah. Praise God. And so now, Master Elder, I'm going to now ask you to do your first task as husband. So hold Monica and kiss her. Good. Here's the big dog where a long time the man do that. Alright, can I ask you both?
Hey guys, so my camera is having a very hard time focusing right now, but I'm gonna give you guys a house tour of the little beach house they got for my grandmother's birthday. And right now, as you guys can see, we're in the bathroom. You come over here, there's a little outside part, but it keeps getting better. Oh, never mind. Keeps getting better because there's a pool out here. Y'all see that? There's a pool out here, and there's a little seating area. I haven't been in the pool yet, but my cousin's been in the pool. This is just a hallway. There's more rooms and stuff in there. And then there's a kitchen and stuff out here. I'm vlogging. Oh yeah. There's this right here. And then there's this room that's playing music. That room is playing on music, but if you go out here to the backyard, there's my dad on the grill and stuff. And there's, I think that's my family in the water over there. Yeah, my family's in the water out there. Right. And then, you know, Jamaicans, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but they're playing dominoes. That's my grandmother's celebration. Ah! Sorry, my skirt keeps blowing in the wind and it keeps exposing me. So let's just zoom up. Sorry if the quality is a little wonky because I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Maybe it got some damage going when I was like on my way out here, because it's not focusing, and I'm not sure why it's not focusing on anything. But yeah, that's my fam over there doing their family stuff, and then you know me in the corner vlogging. But yeah, no, it's very beautiful, clear skies. And then there's people that's doing little beach tours, I mean rafting or whatever, and they're so cute with their little helmets and life jackets on. But I think I'm gonna change my skirt into something else so I could go into the beach water, period. But that's a little house tour. I can't show you the kitchen because they're doing mad stuff in the kitchen, so I don't want to get in their way. Beaches are so nice here at this little private beach for my grandmother's birthday. Got a whole lot of going on. Whole lot of going on. Wasn't really vlogging much because there wasn't much to vlog. But there's somebody's ship. It's like a ship exporting some goods. That's out in the water. The sand is kind of, you know, kind of grassy, but very beautiful. Sand is hella hot. No. No, I haven't been in the pool either. Ugh. No, this is my first time going in. No.
I just lost her up and I said, I'm not going to this one that's cold.
Yeah.
And I went in and it's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's not. It's not that. Yeah, it's not that cold. Hi. I'm vlogging. I know. Do you want to be in the vlog? Say hi to the vlog. This is my cousin Tony, y'all. Do you want to be in the vlog? Do you want to be in the vlog? Do you want to be in the vlog? I don't even think they can hear you. Yeah, this is my cousin Whatnot, but I just had to come out here and show y'all the beach or the waters. I don't know, wait. Ooh, this water is actually very warm. I'm surprised, very surprised. See him dancing right there? It's my dad doing dad dances. I don't know if you can hear the music because the music is that's enough of that. Mr. Lee messing it up right now. Got it all on video too.